Time to take apart a smashed Tesla Model 3. We will remove the frunk to gain access to the bumper bolts. Now it is time to start removing the front bumper. Time to remove the headlight and front fender. Now we will take apart the front rod support to assess the damage. Now that all the damaged parts have been removed, you can see that the hood will be getting replaced. There is a small amount of damage to the inner structure, including the apron and a couple brackets. And when the car got in an accident, the hood went over and hit the other fender, so we will be repairing that too.